Everyone to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can submit work in Google Classroom. So you must make sure that you search for Google Classroom apps. If you already have it installed, you can just go and open. Now for this case here we have the Google Classroom, but in case you don't have these apps installed, you can go here and search for your you can search for Google Classroom. You can search for Google Classroom. So already you have it here, then you click on it. Now from here you can open Google Classroom. Here you open it. So when we open this Google Classroom, now here we need to join Google Classroom using one of these account. For example, let me use this account, that is the learner's account. So here when I join this, it's going to ask you to write your password. So I can put my password because we are now entering into our Google Classroom here. Okay, so here we are going to join the Google Classroom. Now once you join Google Classroom and you find that the class that you want is not there, you need to make sure you join the class. Here if you click on this plus sign like this, it will ask you to join or create. In this case you can join the class. For example, if I want to join another class which is not here, I can click on join class. So when you click on join class, then it will ask you to enter the class code. Now in this stage you must make sure that you have the class code that you want to join, because here you are supposed to enter the class code. So you click on that and then you make sure you enter your class code. So let me enter my class code there so that I can join the class. So let's say my code is 6. So let me enter this class code so that I can be able to join the class that I want. So after entering this code, now it asks you here to join. At the right corner there, top right corner, it will ask you to join. So you click on join. Now we are waiting to join the class. So now you can see that we have already joined the class. Now when you join the class as a learner, here is telling you P4E class mustard seed primary. Now here you have three words. You have the stream, you have classwork, you have people. Now the stream is like a notice board. You find the announcement display on the stream. For example, here they are saying announce something here to your class. So if you want to announce something there, you can click there and announce. Here they are saying Solimo Fred posted a new assignment, English activity for lesson 1. So this is just like a notice board on the stream. Then you have the classwork. Now classwork is where you find everything given. You find the notes is given there. You find the assignment is also given there. But if you come under people, this is where you can find your classmates. So if I click on it, you can see here, you can see your teachers. You have Akenya Tonny and you have Solimo Fred. Then you can see here you have classmate. So you see that these are your classmates in this class. So in this class you have around 9 students. So that is under people. You can be able to see your classmate. Now when we come under classwork and we click classwork, now when we click on classwork, it is where now we are going to find these subjects the teachers are being teaching. You find there the notes. So here this icon represents the activity, and then this one represents the notes. So if you want to do the activity, you open this activity. If you want to copy the notes, you open these notes. So, and also other subjects are the same. Now when it comes to science, you can also find science notes are here. So far you have 2 activities given for science. Now, meaning that the notes, also when you open notes, you can find there 2 lesson notes there. There is one for Monday 1st, and then the second one for Wednesday 3rd. So you can open any of these notes if you want to copy in your book. Let's say, for example, we can open this. So here it will be able to open. And now once it opens like this, you can scroll down. You can scroll down to find the notes. So you can find here, this is where the note starts from, and then you copy in your book. Or you can as well also print this note, because it gives you the option for printing. Let's go back, and then we look at how can we submit the activity. So when we come under classwork and I want to do the activity, for example, I want to do the activity for science, I click on that activity. Now when you click on activity, because you have not yet seen the question, you can first open that question. So when I open this question, and then I can print this question, then type it in my computer, or I can copy this question, then I go and answer. So when you answer this question, still you come back under classwork. Now if you have already finished to answer the question, you come back and say, oh, I was doing this activity. You open that activity that you were doing, and then you click on view assignment. This one majorly help you when you are submitting your work using a computer. So you click on view assignment. So when you click on view assignment, it gives you option here. So you have the option of add or create. So for your case, you are going to add, because you have already worked on it, you have already answered, so you want to submit it to the teacher. So you click on add. Now when you add, it gives you very many options here where you can find your work. Now in this case, my work is in the computer, so I click on file. So when you click on file, it will be able to direct you to where you can upload this work. Now here it brings for you upload, and then when it click on this upload, you can come and click on browse. Okay, so we are going to browse. For example, now it has displayed where my exercise is. So if this is my exercise, I click on that, and then I click on open. So now once it finishes loading, you can see that it automatically saves it here where we are going to add our work, where they are saying your work. Now this is my exercise, then I can be able to turn into the teacher. Now it asked me one attachment will be submitted for mathematics activity lesson 2. Then you say yes, turn in. Now here you have already turned in your work to the teacher. You can even see it tells you you unsubmit. So when you click on unsubmit, meaning you are going to remove the work that you have already submitted. Now in this case for me, I'm going to click on add comment. Now here I can just tell the teacher that thank you. This is the comment I can give the teacher, that thank you. So then you send it to the teacher, you post it to the teacher. So thank you so much. That is how you submit in your work. In this case, the teacher will now be able to find this work that you have done, and the teacher will mark following his process, and then also send back the results to you. So otherwise, thank you so much for following this video. I hope my learners now will be able to submit their work. Thank you. Have a nice time.